Welcome to Office Chalao video training course. Office Chalao is a self-explanatory and support-free CRM and task management software. This is the fourth video explaining chapter number 4 covering the third section of the employee management. In this chapter, all other details of the employees, the attendance of the employees, greeting on the birthday of employees, etc. are covered.
Employee other details submenu. We now saw how the admin can add the employees in the employee basic details tab. And here we will now see how other details of the employee can be added by clicking the edit button. The other details of the employee includes blood group, role, employee type, salary details, PAN card details, Aadhaar number, bank account details, social media links, etc. Admin can click on Save Changes to save other details. Let's see an example here. For instance, the admin wants to change the blood group of the employee named Victoria Glover. The admin will select the blood group from the drop down and click on Save Changes. The changes will be saved and reflect here. To take the backup of the employee other details, select Show All Entries and click on Backup Employees Other Data by Export to XLS. I will just open and show the format of the file to you. This is the complete list of employees present in the software with their other details. Now, let us look at Attendance submenu. As soon as the employee logs into the system, the time of his or her attendance is noted in this tab. Here, the admin can check the name of the employee, login time, date, IP, local IP, ISP, status as present or absent. If the admin wants to add attendance of a particular employee manually, he will have to click on Add Attendance button and select the employee and his or her status from the drop down. Enter the time here. And click on Save Changes. The entry will be visible here. To take the backup of the attendance of employees, select Show All Entries and click on Backup Employee Attendance Data Export to XLS. I'll open and show the format of the file to you. This is the complete list of employees' attendance in the software. Here is the attendance that we marked of the employee. You can also go through the help and in case of any doubts. Now let us look at Inactive Employee Details submenu. If the employee is proceeding on long leave or deputation to another organization, the admin can mark him inactive. On resuming the duties, he can again be marked as active by the admin. Here is the employee that we added manually in the previous chapter and marked his or status as inactive by clicking on the cross button. To make corrections in that employee details, the admin can click on the edit button and make the necessary changes and mark the employee active again by clicking on the tick button, as shown here. You will see Prashita is no longer in the list of inactive employees and will be visible in the Employee Basic Detail tab with active status. To take the backup of inactive employee details, select Show All Entries and click on Inactive Employee Export to XLS. The format of the file is shown here. Now let me show you the employee called Prashita we just marked as active in the Employee Basic Details tab. I will simply search the name here and the entry will be visible here with its status as active. Now let us look at today's employee birthday submenu. When the admin adds the employee, the date of birth of the employee is also specified. Here, in this tab, the admin gets to know which employee's birthday falls today. The system also greets the employee happy birthday when that particular employee logs into the system.